Oga sir, good afternoon.
My guy.
Oga Ragnick, some people dey expect make Man City trash you for Etihad. You fit prove them wrong?
I go beat Man City.
Oga Ragnick, abeg no dey offended o. But even your pikin no go believe wetin you just talk.
Na why plenty people sleep go cut on Sunday. I go do Man City wetin Tottenham do them. Conte don give me the secret formula.
Which formula be that?
G. But I go talk to your boys o, because I swear to God, I go break person leg for there. Wetin happen? I dey tell them say make dem do squat. They no dey gree hear word.
Coach talk say make we do 1,000 squats in 10 minutes.
What? You no fit do am.
No be army recruit we be na. Na ordinary boy we come play.
Oya make una calm down. Which calm down? I no fit dey this club. One tiny organism go come dey disrespect me o.
Na me you dey call tiny organism.
I go hold you slap o. No talk to me. We get Man City to play on Sunday, and these small boys no even dey fit reach my right leg.
Which small boy?
See, it's like you wan go join your prehistoric fathers for grave, ah?
Okay na.
As I dey talk, these your small boys need to respect themselves o. Because if we lose that Man City match, I go enlist all their names make them go fight war for Ukraine. At least them go chop better fitness for that side. Choi, which kind club I come coach like this now?
Oga Ragnick,
If I slap you,
Who be that?
Na your guy na, Obama.
You don sure? Come inside now.
Oh boy, have fun na. You don't tell.
No be lie. It sounds you just resemble one responsible guy. You still dey go your night party, ba?
Haba, that one na short thing na.
How far now? How you dey?
Omo, me just dey like Dele o. Shebi Coach no dey.
I tell you say no go there now. You never tell when comot sha. Him dey always go that Mami Wabi restaurant every day by 1 o'clock, except weekend where we get match. That 2-man pepper soup don scatter him brain finally.
Okay na. I come make we yarn transfer matter.
Na true sef. Space dey backa for me. Coach wan replace me. E remain small make Vlahovic come replace me for here. Me I no dey like rough play.
Oh boy, I no go lie you o. Space no dey.
Anyhow sha, I go still find my way any which way. Wetin you been dey talk sef?
Oga Javi say make I come talk to Saka and Smith Rowe. He get plans to transform Baka. Jesus! Like how far na? Why you lie for me?
I swear, you no suppose dey here o. Wetin you dey do for here?
Coach, I come visit you now.
Shebi I tell you say make you no try come back here.
Coach, abeg calm down na. I miss my friends now. Why I come?
I hear you talk something just now. You talk something about Saka and Smith Rowe.
No! Nothing concern me concern those boys so.
So you won't carry my boys go back up?
No!
Your father.
Jesus! Lagax, you don't try,